James Dyson has warned that China has overtaken us as he laid out a plan for Brexit Britain to fight back. The British inventor has described his blueprint to save British innovation and fight back against the current cultural mores that could smother it. Mr. Dyson is worried that Asian economies could take over the UK as centres for design and excellence. He described how in Singapore 40% of graduates are engineers. He said that this is not the case in Britain, where the figure is 4%. The Sunday Times has reported Mr. Dyson as stating, "If you visit a British university, you see 400 students passing out in media studies and only 30 engineers." He added, "I fear China and Korea and other countries will overtake us, if they haven't already. Even the Philippines and Mexico produce more engineers than we do. Technology is much harder to develop now, much more complex. When I started we were a group of mechanical engineers. Now more than 50% of our engineers are software or electronics specialists. There are also fluid dynamics and battery experts and other scientists. If we're not producing those people, we're going to get poorer and poorer." Then the British inventor outlined the ways in which Britain could again excel in these areas. He said, "I think as a country gets wealthy it tends to forget what made it wealthy, namely developing technology and manufacturing and exporting and creating wealth. It tends to prefer cerebral activities, everything else almost, bar the job of designing and developing technology and actually making things in a factory, which I love doing. I find it very exciting and quite romantic actually, but no one else does. I've been at parties where people say, 'What do you do?' I say, 'Well, I'm an engineer and I make things.' They walk away. It's disappointing."